Fransa Sei Apoia Timor-Leste iha rea Defeza no Seguransa.
Fransa akan diversifica cooperação liu-liu Apoia Timor-Leste iha area Defeza no Segurança. Compromisso ne hatohusi embaixador Fransa iha Indonesia, Timor-Leste no ASEAN, Fabian Fenone, durante a sorumalo primeiro-ministro Kairala Sanana Guzmão.
I had a very interesting and useful meeting with the Prime Minister. The reinforcement of the relationship between France and Timor-Leste is a priority for the French government. This is why I'm here today on the occasion of the port call from the French frigate Vendémiaire. This frigate was already here last year, so we are reinforcing our defense and security cooperation. But beyond defense and security, we want to diversify our cooperation and partnership with Timor-Leste. This is why we also discussed with the Prime Minister the reinforcement of our economic relationships, as well as our cultural and university partnership. We just want to develop concrete projects which are mutually benefiting our two countries, matching our interests. We want to do something very concrete and operational, and this meeting was a good opportunity to set new orientations to further develop our cooperation.
Fransa moça carga atu desenvolve projeto concreto sira nebe mak for benefício banação rua no neho sormutune sai oportunidade diak atu vela estabelece orientação fonsira ori desenvolve liutang cooperação ne. Primeiro-ministro contente no carga teves atu estabelece no hameti liutang cooperação iha área hirak ne. Equipa cobertura GMN.